Hey guys, so let's say you're 18 and you just started going to UAA and you just saw this really pretty girl in the hallway. And man, she didn't notice you, but I'm here to tell you there is a way that you can get noticed. And I swear, it's gonna work. Put some weight on your bones. And it sounds weird, but if you go to the weight room, which is the recreational room, you just might be able to. What's the weight room? Well, the weight room is the weight room. The weight room features the latest in equipments, ellipticals, treadmills, Stairmaster, life fitness cycles, and free weight equipment. Where is it, you ask? Well, this one's gonna sound weird, but it's on the UAA campus. Yeah. The room is located in the upper level of the SSC. So, how do you get in? Well, you must be 18, of course, and have a Wolf Card ID if you really want to get through the doors. Policies start with, well, wear some clean shoes that haven't been stepped in mud or dirt or crap. And also, no food or drinks. They don't want mud, food, or crap on their mats. Not judging your mama's cooking, but spectator area on upper level only, so don't try to do anything funny up there. Under 12 must be accompanied by a supervising adult at all times, so 18-year-olds, that's where you come in. There's one rule that is like any other rule, and it is, if you are going to use some equipment, put it back. If you end up taking some weights, re-rack your weights, because that crap, and also, if you lose them, you may have to pay for them. So, go ahead, check out this place. It's pretty cool, it's got weights, and you need to be there.